Is everything okay here?
Yes, the wine and the appetizers are fantastic.
I'm very happy to hear that. Are you ready to order your main entrees?
Yes, I'm going to have the sirloin steak.
Okay, and how would you like it cooked?
Medium rare, please.
And would you like soup or salad with that?
I'll take a salad.
What kind of dressing would you like? We have Italian, blue cheese, and ranch.
I'll have Italian.
And you have your choice of potatoes or vegetables.
I'll take a baked potato with sour cream.
And for you, sir?
I'll have the fish of the day.
Okay, would you like it baked or fried?
What do you recommend?
I recommend the baked fish with the lemon sauce.
Okay, I'll take that.
And would you like soup or salad?
What kind of soup do you have?
We have cream of broccoli or onion soup.
I'll have the cream of broccoli, please.
Okay, coming right up.